Hello and welcome to another video by Minifigs in Space. I am your host, Brian. Today, I will be upgrading some LEGO sets from the 1980s through 1990s, specifically for the LEGO Minifigures Series 26 Space Collectible Minifigure Series. As long-term viewers already know, this is my favorite collectible minifigure series. I even had the opportunity to contribute to the official lore behind my favorite character, the Alien Beetlezoid. And speaking of the Alien Beetlezoid, we will be building a vehicle for him, the M-Tron Powerlifter, the Ice Planet Explorer, and the Blacktron Mutant. Due to LEGO unfortunately killing off the trans neon green and trans neon orange parts, I will be using some rough modern equivalents as if these were sets produced today. The following upgrades are small sets, pocket-sized ones that are affordable and easy to replicate. The Mtron Pulsar Charger hails from 1990. While the original set used some wedge-shaped plates for wings, I thought I would try something different and use a mixture of studs not on top and a couple jumper plates to achieve the wedge-shaped profile. And even though the little rocket thrusters don't come in transparent bright green, I was able to carry them over from the 1990 version. And because I cannot build very fast with physical bricks, here is the building process of the Pulsar Charger at approximately 3 times speed. This fine specimen of the Ice Planet 2002 Ice Tunnellator needs a tiny revamp for the Ice Planet Explorer from Series 26. Okay, well, maybe not that tiny of an upgrade, but at least the wheels are mostly the same. Taking some inspiration from a Blacktron 2 rover, the Ice Planet crew has engineered this version to slant slightly forward so it's easier to chop through ice with the little handsaw, which is of course removable. Since the Ice Planet Explorer also had a robot penguin companion, I decided to make a little seat for him in the back as well so he wouldn't feel left out. This upgraded Ice Planet rover does take a little bit more thought when it comes to the layering of the plates, but I think the overall effect is very satisfactory. The Blacktron 2 Galactic Scout from 1992 seemed to have a lot of potential for modifications into a vehicle for the Blacktron Mutant. However, this upgrade ended up deviating from the original design quite a bit, so I'm honestly not sure what to think of it, but here it is. As those of you who own a Blacktron Mutant probably already know, the legs do not allow him to sit down like a normal minifigure. As a result, he has to stand up when piloting spacecraft. This affected my design quite a bit as I tried to bulk up the back of it without it looking out of place. But you gotta admit, it's really cool how he can pull down his visor while also holding on to the handlebars with both hands. Now these fancy sci-fi weapons on the side are basically mutant goo cannons. Now this does use a couple interesting building techniques, such as this one right here using jumper plates to line up these gaps perfectly. The core structure for the back assembly is made out of plates and hinge plates, so nothing fancy. Alien Beetlezoid fans, this is the moment you have been waiting for. This is his latest ship, which is an upgrade of, well, I'll let you have a moment and try to guess what it is from. If you need a hint, it starts with M and ends in Mosquito. Or, in other words, it is the Mosquito set from the LEGO Insectoids theme in the 1990s. Since the Alien Beetlezoid came from the planet Holics where the Insectoids were, I figured this would be a good set to adapt for the essentially Galaxy Squad alien. The mechanical wings do have some slight flexibility, the laser cannons for the cocoon pods of course move, and it also has landing gear. I was not intending this to be landing gear, but I tried it out when I was done building it, and it balances perfectly, so it is officially landing gear. I almost didn't speed up the building process because there is actually quite a bit going on here, but if you want to replicate this, feel free to bring this down to a slower speed or to pause it entirely. It should be pretty easy to build, just a lot going on. And with that, my friends, we have come to the conclusion of today's Galaxy Squad, LEGO Minifigures Series 26 video. I hope you were inspired by these builds, and if you have any feedback or any suggestions for future builds, I would love to hear them in the comments below. Thanks again, and until next time, keep building your universe.